In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate on Miro in real time. Miro is a fantastic digital whiteboard tool, perfect for enhancing your team's creativity and productivity. Let's dive into how you and your team can work together seamlessly. First, we need to bring your collaborators on board. Launch your Miro board and direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find a blue Share button. Clicking this opens up a world of collaborative potential. Here, you have the freedom to set varying levels of permissions. You can decide whether your collaborators can edit, simply comment, or just view the board. This flexibility ensures that every team member has the appropriate level of access. Once you've determined the permissions, it's time to send out those invitations. Miro offers a few simple ways to do this. You can opt to send invitation links directly, shoot out email invites, or if you prefer, you can copy a shareable link to distribute as needed. Remember, anyone who receives editing access can dive into the collaboration and join you in real time. This is especially handy in Miro Lite, where anyone with the link can make edits for up to 24 hours without even signing up. It's a fantastic option for quick, impromptu sessions. Now, let's get into the heart of real-time visual collaboration. Miro truly shines here, as it allows multiple users to simultaneously engage with the board. You and your teammates can add, move, or edit various objects like sticky notes, shapes, connectors, or even drawings. What's spectacular about Miro is that everything updates live. You can see other users' cursors moving and changes happening almost instantaneously. This type of interaction makes brainstorming sessions dynamic and productive. This live updating functionality supports not only brainstorming, but also planning, diagramming, and any creative collaboration your team needs to tackle. There's no noticeable lag, letting ideas flow freely and rapidly amongst everyone, keeping the momentum strong. Whether you're all together in a conference room or scattered across the globe, Miro effortlessly bridges the distance, providing a shared space for your team to innovate and execute. By following these instructions, you'll harness the full potential of Miro's real-time collaboration, transforming your team's workflow and fostering an environment ripe for creativity and effective problem-solving. And that wraps up our session on collaborating in real time using Miro. Implement these steps the next time your team gathers virtually, and see the difference in your creative and collaborative endeavors. Thank you for joining today, and I wish you all the best in your future collaborations.